I actually changed my major from psychology to communications once I was vice president of communications for Zeta, and I realized I was like, wow, I love social media. Like, this is something I want to keep doing in my life. I think what I love most about this program specifically is the way the professors communicate with us, and we are able to be creative with our projects that they give us. Definitely in a lot of my classes, when we go to the TV station, we learn like good communication skills, good interview skills, how to use stuff like Adobe, Photoshop. My professor definitely helped me gain my internship that I had over the summer. He kind of gave me a stepping stone into what I wanted to do. I had a marketing internship over in Maryland at the American Association for Laboratory Accreditation. This major has challenged me because it broadened my perspective to the radio world and the journalism world, whereas when I first came into it, I just thought I wanted to do social media, marketing, and things like that. But it challenged me in a way that made me able to gain better communication skills, learn how to talk to people more effectively. I think my favorite class overall was social media and digital marketing because we were able to kind of run like a business plan. Again, really hands-on, something that I've used in like the internships that I've gained.
My liberal arts experience was very liberating, and I was able to have a lot of freedom with the classes that I chose to take. For one of my assignments for my visual painting class, we got to create a self-portrait, and it's been a lot of fun learning how to paint, learning how to use monochromatic colors and the different shadows and the different lights, different hues, and everything like that.
I think the Bethany community is very tight-knit, we're close. You always know somebody has your back and somebody will support you no matter what. I was homecoming queen. That was very fun, very exciting. Seeing everyone cheer for you and just knowing that you made an impact on Bethany and the people around you was so heartfelt. I couldn't have asked for a better 4-year experience here. Because of Bethany, I am finding my passion.